Hello, so simply want to find the value of x from this indicial equation, right? Solution. So from here, 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3. You still have your power, 2 minus x, equal to 64 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 6 over what? 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2. You still have your power, x plus 3. So from here, you have what? 2 power. You use 3 to distribute into this parentheses. Here you have 6 minus what? 3x equal to 2 power 6 minus what you have here, minus 2x plus 6, right, from the basic law of indices. Hence, since they have the same power, they have the same base, 2 will cancel 2, you equate the power. If you equate the power, you have 6 minus 3x here equal to 6 minus 2x minus 6. 6 will cancel this, 6. Hence, you have what? 6 equal to this minus 3x will come to this side. The sign will change to addition. Here we have 3x minus 2x, 6 equal to x. Hence, the value of x in this equation is equal to 6. As simple as that.